I was going to say, I celebrated 62 on Tuesday, and I feel like this was the best gift I could have given myself.
Aw, that is wonderful. That
I'm
is
like,
wonderful.
yay. I was thinking, I was like, wow, this is the best gift I think I could have given myself. It was an early
Wow.
birthday gift. The only thing is, when I start to learn something new, and I just get obsessed with it. And
Mhm.
so my husband had to go somewhere with a buddy of his today, and my parents went out of town. I'm normally with them on Saturdays, and I'm like, I can stay home and I can just work on SVGs all day long. That's basically what I've been doing. It's been marvelous. But the good
Yes.
part is that an area I got stuck in, I was like, I know she covered it in one of the lessons. Being able to go back and finding the lesson and go, oh, that's it. Because I heard it the first time. And then it comes up when I'm trying to work on a project. Like, where was she working on that? But to be able to put my hands on and find that lesson and go over it and then try to practice, no, that's not right. I did something wrong. What did she say do? Means the world to me. It just makes all the difference in the world. Just because everything is just so detailed
Yeah.
and spelled out and everything. It's just, yeah, keeps me busy. It really is. I mean, I look at everything, how you have stuff laid out. And I was like, I remember at first thinking, well, that's a lot of information. And as I'm going through and going through and going through, I was like, that's a lot of really good information because I can use every bit of it. So that just that makes all
That's
the difference
good to
in the world.
hear.
It really
Thank
does.
you.
Yeah. Another thing I really appreciate about your lessons is that when you get to the point where it's time to open up the shop and stuff, you're like, go check, do some market research, see what's out there, blah, blah. And I was like,